Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this Oppo Find X. And you might be wondering, why am I doing the unboxing now? On Twitter I had asked you guys, do you want a overview of this one, and I ran a poll and got about 6,500 votes, and 81% of you actually said that I should actually check this out. And I just got the review unit just now after 5 days, so I'm doing the unboxing. And as you can see, it does not look like it's an official Indian unit because it's written in Chinese. And initial impressions, it looks really nice. This color actually in person, as you can see, if I move around, it gives that gradient, so looks like it's very good. It says Find X over here, and this one has that mechanism. As you can see from the front, we don't have any notch or anything. This mechanism is supposed to just go up, and that reveals the rear camera as well as the front facing camera. It says Find X, SIM ejector tool over here, and you also get a micro this is your 3.5mm adapter cable. For example, we get similar stuff with the Pixel, so no 3.5mm headphone jacks, looks like that. So that's what you get, and some paperwork. Here we have the headsets, and nicely packed, I would say. Looks like in-ear type, like the Apple AirPods, as you can see, but again, these are also wired ones, so yeah, they look like that. So this is what you get. This will be USB Type-C, obvious. Yeah, this comes out, and we also get a cable in this one. Actually, the USB Type-C cable is here inside this box itself. So yeah, you get two things in that box, and this is USB Type-C that you are getting with this one, as you can see. And it has a single button here to take or end calls, and also integrated microphone. So that's what you get. And this is the charger. This supposed to be that VOOC charger. It outputs at 5 volts at 4 amps. So indeed, this is a special fast charger that you are getting. So here is the handset itself. Again, as I've told you, looks really nice. I would say this colored, at least in this color, it looks really nice. And I thought it would be really big because it's having a 6.42 inch screen, but because they don't have anything like a notch or a camera here, it actually does not feel like a very big device. It feels like a regular 6.2 inch device or 6.1 device that you are getting. And on the top, actually, we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone over here. And here is the power on off button. On the bottom, main mic, no, this is the SIM tray, sorry, that was the bottom SIM tray. And this is the Type-C connector, speaker over here, and volume rockers on this side. So interesting design, I would say. It's just a single SIM, not even a dual SIM. As you can see, it's, yeah. And let's try to now power this up for the first time. And by the time it actually boots up and I set this up, let me actually give you a configuration overview. This Oppo Find X is having a 6.42 inch screen, which is an AMOLED screen. It's protected by Gorilla Glass. It's powered by the Snapdragon 845 chipset. The variant that will be sold in India comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it's having a dual rear-facing camera, 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel. And the front-facing camera is a 25 megapixel at f2.0 lens. And it also has IR flood emitters for face recognition. And moving to the battery, it has a 3730 milliamp hour battery. And I've just almost finished the setup, and it's showing us some of the gestures that it has. So to go back to the home, you swipe like this, as you can see. And guys, I have to say, initial impressions, the screen quality, the AMOLED screen that they have put is really good. And for unlocking, it relies on just face unlocking feature, but it also has a IR flood emitter like the iPhone 10, so it's a lot more secure. It's not just a basic face unlock, but let's test that. And yes, as you can see, the mechanism actually moved up and it unlocked. Let's try it again. So I have to swipe like this. So it's just like the iPhone 10, guys. You have to like press this, and I thought it would automatically just go up. No, that's not the case. If I do this, I have to like swipe, then only. But if you do that, let's try it very quickly once more. it's actually fast. I thought it will be really, really slow, but this whole mechanism actually goes up. So that's what it is. And guys, as I told you, this is the review unit. So a lot of actually third-party Chinese apps are in pre-installed, but in the Indian edition, you won't get that. So that is something, just ignore that, I would say. So anyways, just let's look at the Android version that we get if you go to about the device. As you can see, it's known as the Oppo Find X. And Android version is the latest one, 8.1. So that's a good thing. So you're getting the latest version of Android with this one. As you can see, out of that 128 gigabytes, about 106 gigabytes of storage is free, and even this one has 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that's what you get. And one thing is that if you notice, because it's not having that on-screen screen buttons, the entire portion is for what do you say, it's showing the content, so it's very immersive. And to go back to the home, you do like this. So that is just, this is just like the iPhone 10, I would say, in terms of that. And you hold it, yeah, it's the same for multitasking. Also, you just push up and hold. Let me just open some multiple apps to show you again. As I told you, this is the, not the, what do you say, this is the Chinese version, that's why the apps are in Chinese. But if you hold it like this for multitasking, you do it like this and you get it like this. So that's what it is. And again, I have to say, in terms of the feel of the phone, it actually feels very, very premium. Again, they're putting that 6.4-inch screen inside this one. The only thing with the face unlock is that it doesn't do it automatically. When you press this home button, you have to just swipe, and only after that it's doing. I thought it will be really, really slow. Again, let me show you. But it is actually really fast. So that's what it is. Anyways, let's look at the camera. Again, for the camera also, this will pop up because the front facing camera as well as the rear facing cameras are hidden. And the rear facing camera is a combination of 16 megapixel plus 20, and the 16 one has optical image stabilization, I believe. If I go to photo mode, yeah, it's fine. So let's look at this one. And this is the 1x, and we also have the 2x mode and this, and obviously we'll have the portrait mode also. Yeah, we have a portrait mode. Let's see what it does if we go to the portrait mode. It's detecting that it's having natural light. We have lighting options like film light, it says. So real time it's showing the lighting effect, as you can see over here. Let's look at the front facing camera. It's supposed to be oh, it says face scan or something. I'll just skip it for this. So it's a 25 megapixel front facing camera. And again, you also have the AI 3D beautifying mode or whatever. Let's just remove that. So let me do one thing, guys. Let me take some sample shots with this device around my office. And these are some of the sample shots taken in artificial lighting conditions with this Oppo Find X inside my office. And here are some of the sample shots taken in outdoor lighting conditions. It's slightly overcast day, but yeah, these are the sample shots taken in my roof garden for your quick reference. And here are some of the sample shots taken with the front-facing camera in outdoor lighting conditions, regular shots, and these are in the portrait mode. And here are some of the sample shots in artificial lighting conditions with the front-facing camera. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Find X. What do you guys think about this Find X? Initial impressions, I have to say, it is actually a very beautiful device. And yes, I should give props to Oppo for doing something new instead of that notch what everyone is doing. They are doing this thing. It's difficult to do stuff like this, and it works fine. But again, I feel they should have also given a fingerprint scanner over here. That would have been a lot easier. Yes, I know the face unlocking thing is the thing, everyone is going with that. But again, I would have wished they would have also given a physical fingerprint scanner. And in India specifically, they should have also launched the 128 gigabyte variant of this device, because I frankly feel even 128 gigabytes of storage is more than enough for most people. And that way they could have lowered down the pricing. But as of now, they are launching the 256 gigabyte variant of this Oppo Find X in India, and that is priced at 59,990. And that'll be sold via Flipkart. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Oppo Find X. If you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.